Everyone talks about how smoking affects your lungs, but there is something far more dangerous, something almost nobody talks about. It is a gas that has no color, no smell, and yet it enters your body with every single puff. I am talking about carbon monoxide. Yes, the same gas that comes out of a car's exhaust pipe. It is in every cigarette and it silently hijacks your body from the inside. When you smoke a cigarette, carbon monoxide enters your lungs and from there it slips directly into your bloodstream. This is where things start to change quietly but dangerously. Your body runs on oxygen. Every cell, whether it is in your brain, your heart, your muscles, need oxygen to function, heal, and produce energy. Think of oxygen like the fuel your body runs on. No oxygen, your system starts to slow down, like a car running on bad fuel. It moves but starts breaking down from within. But carbon monoxide is a deceiver. It attaches to your red blood cells in place of oxygen. It is like a fake passenger that kicks oxygen out of the right and takes over. The result, your organs don't get the oxygen they need. That means less energy, more fatigue, brain fog, shortness of breath, poor focus, and over time, serious complications. You might not notice this on day one, but that is what makes it dangerous because the damage builds day after day without a warning sign. This is why many smokers live with constant tiredness, anxiety, and poor recovery, and don't even realize that carbon monoxide is silently disrupting their system. Now, let's talk about what this silent damage actually leads to. When carbon monoxide keeps blocking oxygen in your blood, your heart is forced to work harder just to keep your organs alive. This increases your risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and even heart attacks. And since your brain is not getting enough oxygen either, you start noticing poor focus, headaches, and eventually memory issues. Over time, this turns into chronic fatigue. Your immune system weakens. Your body struggles to recover from even minor health issues. This is why smokers often feel like they are always low on energy, even if they eat well or sleep enough, because of the oxygen delivery system itself is broken. According to a report by the US Surgeon General, carbon monoxide from cigarettes significantly increases the risk of cardiovascular disease, especially in long term smokers. I have added that report in the video description if you want to read more about the science behind it. Imagine your blood is a delivery truck. Its job is to carry oxygen to every part of your body. But now, half the trucks are carrying fake boxes, carbon monoxide. So the real cargo never reaches its destination. That is not just inefficient, it is deadly, especially over years. Now, here is something really important. Just quitting smoking is not enough if you don't quit the right way. Most people try to quit with willpower. Some use nicotine patches, gums, or vapes, but here is the problem. Even if you stop smoking, you are still hooked to nicotine and the emotional triggers that caused you to smoke in the first place. When stress hits, when boredom strikes, when emotion runs high, your brain automatically looks for that old comfort because the emotional bond is still alive. That is why so many people relapse, not because they are weak, but because no one taught them how to break that psychological link. The truth is, quitting nicotine is not just about cutting a chemical. It is about resetting how your brain responds to stress, emotion, and habit. When you quit the right way, with a structured system that supports both your brain and body, carbon monoxide clears faster, oxygen levels rise quicker, and healing becomes easier because your brain is not fighting back. If you have stayed till the end, thank you. It means you care, not just about your health, but about the truth. Now you know what most smokers don't. Carbon monoxide does not warn you. It does not burn. It does not sting. It just silently damages until it is too late. And that is why I made this video. because someone you care about might still believe it is just a secret. Please share this with them, because sometimes one video, one truth can shift someone's entire direction. And if you are on a journey to understand what really happens when you quit smoking, this channel is for you. I am not here to scare you. I am here to guide you with real science, emotional clarity, and practical tools. Hit subscribe, because every week we share truth packed videos to help you break free, one step at a time. I'll see you in the next video.